Well, hello there, YouTube. It's Ro here. Thank you for visiting You Grow Ro. If this is your first time here, I hope you'll consider subscribing at the end of this video. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. Today, I am taking a look at some damage from some high winds we got here yesterday and the day before. See what all needs to be done in my garden and try to get it all done before it rains. We'll take a look here in just a second. So weather-wise, it has been a you-know-what around here. We still have plenty of heat, so no problems there. But 2 days ago, today is August 8th, Thursday. 2 days ago, I believe it was, we had in my area four tornadoes confirmed touchdown. That's just wild. It's wild. And so, while the tornadoes weren't necessarily in my area, I did get some strong winds and lots of rain over here. So I'm expecting to see a lot of split fruits and possibly a lot of broken plants. So let's just take a look around and see what survived, what didn't, and maybe even make a harvest. So I feel bad. I was listening to NPR on the way home, and they were saying that the illuminating company, which is power around here, has put out a statement that for the 250,000 people in the area who still don't have power back up, they won't be getting it for another week. They're looking at maybe next Wednesday being caught up on getting all of the power back on to other people. Okay, so we got some broken limbs here. Looks like my trellising didn't hold up to the wind. It's not great. Yeah, I can just cut that off, and I suppose I can just cut this off too. So looks like I got a lot of tomatoes to grab here. But overall, I think that did pretty good. That's not bad. It's just the one side. And it was all with that trellising there, with the string. So, duly noted. I'll come back and get all these fruits here. Then we had this bed here that was already under duress because the plants are so heavy that my staking was having a hard time holding them up. Well, now looks like it's kind of taken down one of these here, but overall that's not bad. I think that's pretty fixable. I can fix that. Okay, this is wonderful. This is way better than I thought. And then if you could just smell that. Oh. And then I was looking back here at the beginning of the video, and nothing seems to have went wrong with this bucket garden. So okay, I'm gonna say I was pretty lucky. Not much damage, not much cleanup to be done. I am gonna go ahead and take these tomatoes though, because like I said, we're gonna get some more rain, and I don't wanna play around with any more cracking than I already have. Oh, look at that. There's a second watermelon on this crimson sweet plant. I don't think you want to get more than 2 on a vine. I gotta do some research and find out, but okay. All right, well, let me do some harvesting. I'm just gonna take anything that's blushing. What plant is this? Oh, mortgage lifter. Oh, look at that. I don't know if somebody bit into it or it's just, I don't know. Okay, can probably just cut that off. I'll take this one too. And this one as well. I'm gonna need to get some scissors. So here's what I got out of that green stalk. A bunch of yellow canary micro dwarf tomatoes. I'll be saving some seeds from those. I think this is the ink spot here, and my first fat frog tomato. It's my first green when ripe tomato ever, and I'm not saving this fruit. I'm going to eat it. It's more of a mustardy kind of color than anything, but excited for that. And then some peppers. All right, this squash has flowers. Huh?
I'm back a little bit.
Okay. Lots of squash flowers. First time growing it. I think that's a good thing. Let me collect all that's in here. Some kind of bug burrowed in there. Can't see him, but I can. Well, poop. Oh, he's coming out. Yes. Another one. Ugh. They really went after these pear and sprayless tomatoes, huh? This one too. This one's blushing, so I'm taking it as well. I'm noticing I have some hornworm damage. I hope my bird friends get on their job down here as well. Look at that. Hornworm damage. And a little bit more down here. So birdies, what are you doing? get to work. It's all of 85 degrees. Gosh, I wish I knew what this plant was. It has been so productive, but alas, I do not have a tag in it. Cut that one off. I'm out here sweating like a pig in heat. Oh, I think this one just split. Okay. But I live for this, guys. This is what I do it all for. I live for this. One of my greatest joys is harvesting in the garden. I mean, is there anything greater? I'm sure there are, but you know what I mean. These dad sunsets are really productive as well. They're like super productive. Take a look at this wonderfulness. Oh my goodness, I can barely hold it. Whew. Okay, now I'm going to harvest what I can from these green stalks, these two. Whew. I'm doing good, guys. I'm still beating the rain, still beating it. I just got a little bit here to harvest. I think I got a couple small purple beauty bell peppers in there to get. I'll tell you what, as productive as these purple beauties are, they really stayed small on me. The ones in the garden bed, the fruits that is. The ones in the garden bed, the ones in the buckets, the ones in the green stalks, all of them. Their fruits are very small, but they're super productive. I don't know if I would grow them again. Maybe for the novelty, but I really want some larger peppers, so I hope the rest of my bell peppers come through for me. I have yellow monster, red knight, and California wonder, I think, also out in the garden, but nothing to harvest yet. All right, so I got everything out of that bucket garden as well. Just taking one final look around. Uh-oh, here comes the rain. I just beat it, just barely. I'm just doing one more pass. Make sure there's not any blushing fruit that I'm missing. Don't see anything. Yell out if you see something. That is split, so I'm just leaving it. I don't care. And there's nothing on here, right? Nope, don't see anything in there. And I know I have fruit on this one, but is any of it ready? No. Okay. Be on the lookout. One of my next videos coming up is gonna be what's growing in my bucket gardens. Uh-oh. Let me go get this bucket and get inside. Ah! Look at all of that. And I'm running out of space, y'all. I should be good for harvesting for another couple days, so I'll get the rest of these tomatoes taken care of. I brought in that massive haul, and now I gotta get these into the freezer. But first, I want to do a taste test, right? So I got all these mortgage lifters. I got this brown sugar and the Parent Sprayless. And in my new batch, I have Dad's Sunset. So let's do some comparisons. What do you think? And then I got these ripening in the window as well. Oh, I didn't bring you guys along, but I did my garlic. I strung it up and put some rosemary in with it. Didn't turn out how I pictured it, but whatever, it's fine. And here's another one over here. Okay, friends, here is the harvest. I got some of my Purple Beauty bell peppers, all kinds of, I don't know, these are serranos, probably jalapenos, I don't know, hot peppers here. I got my Yellow Canary micro dwarf tomato. I forgot to label these, so I don't know what they are, but I know this one is from a micro dwarf called Fat Frog. Dying to try that one. Here's some beans. I got some yellow and some green. And this is my first Borlotti bean. It's a really pretty one. Here is my first two Gin Fizz fruits. These are Dad's Sunset. I took anything that was blushing. And down here is Parent Sprayless. I have 2 plants of that. And then this is, wait, let's go back up here. Okay. And then here, these are my brown sugars. This here is mystery tomatoes. I don't know what these are. More mystery tomatoes here and here. Mystery tomato, mystery tomato. And then all of these are my mortgage lifters. And that, my friends, my goodness. I don't think I have, this is what I have left from that last harvest that I'm trying to take care of. But I don't think I have any 1-pounders here, but we can go ahead and see about, oop, not going off. We can go ahead and measure, weigh some. I think I'm done with 1-pounders though. I don't think I have any more out there. Let's try this one. Gin Fizz. 8.6 ounces, nice. Feels heavier than that. Huh. Let's see. We got this mortgage lifter here. This isn't that's not a pound. 10 ounces, nice. Not shaking my head at that. There's this one here, 10.4. Let's see what we got. Mortgage lifter, 10. Looks like a lot of these, oh here, this is a big one. Not quite, 16 ounces is a pound, so this is just shy of a pound. Nice. Let's see. This is another one, looks like a big one. Mortgage lifter. 14.3 ounces, nice. Mystery tomato. almost 10 ounces. Wow, that's gotta be a small one. Oh, a little over 10 ounces, another mystery tomato. Nice. So yeah. Oh, this makes me so happy. And we beat the rain. Yay. So I guess I gotta start processing more tomatoes and getting them in the freezer so that I can get these into the windows to ripen. All right, friends, that does it for me and my garden today. I did the best I could. I harvested everything that I could, aside from herbs. But I think we did good. I think we did good. I got a lot to deal with now. And here we go. I just missed the rain. I might stand out here for a minute, just cool off a little bit, because good grief, I am sweaty. I'm not even sweaty, I'm juicy. All right, thanks for spending time with me, you guys. And I will see you all in another video on another day. Until then, happy growing, my friends.